Good morning, Lord. It's your girlfriend is back with another video, and it is day one, but 2.5 really. It's Padre. Right now, I am grabbing my keys, y'all, because I just found my keys to my car, and they're in here. So today we got a lot of stuff going on today. I'm about to go in here and wash my face, brush my teeth. I just need to start the video, but today is March 14th, I believe, and it's like around like almost 12:15 ish, and we're about to eat breakfast and get ready. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Okay, I got my keys right here. I don't need none of that. This. These are in this car. So this is our Airbnb, y'all. Messy. I might get copyrighted, but Mary making breakfast. I know bacon look like that. Exactly. Anyways, okay. Okay. I brushed my teeth and all that other stuff. Last night was really wild. I didn't get no camera footage. My phone died. I wasn't really in the mood to bring my camera last night. And it was just wild. But I mean, I guess I had a good time just being around people and my friends and Massey and Mary. But they said sex was gonna come on at 11, right? Not really not come out until like 12 o'clock, and I feel like she only performed a little bit of songs, so we had left at like around like 11:45, and then like 30 minutes later she came out. We wasn't waiting that long, and then on top of that it was cold, like, and we was in her hot girl club. If y'all know my Snapchat, it's Princess Woodin 7. Y'all can go at me and see what today's stuff we doing if I post this video in time here. But last night was wild. Everybody was getting arrested and they was fighting, pepper spray, all of this stuff. So right now, I'm putting my press on toast back on and I'm filing it down. Mary making breakfast, Massey and Eric just watching her, and the boys they and Eric just being boys. But we got some excursions to do, and yeah. So I'm gonna put on my press on back on. Cause baby, Mary, talking about some breakfast tonight. Okay, I'm gonna turn out my phone when I get done with my press on, and then I'm gonna go in there and eat breakfast. Okay. 15 storage, so you can take all the pics. Yeah. Mary on the detail. She got kids. No. Okay, I need help for real, and I need to charge my camera. Give me a second, y'all. I need to get it right because I am not right. I'm on the street. Okay, this does not go. Okay, should I wear orange? Orange. Everyone said that this is gonna look good on my skin color. So I should wear orange. Or I got purple braces right now, and I've been feeling the purple vibes. So I have this purple one. Let me take this white thing off in the blue. Because I wasn't wearing light blue today. But I don't think I'm really feeling light blue. So it's this purple one too with the, and it is going on my braces. I don't know, I feel like purple looks good right now. But I feel like orange would set it off. I'm wearing orange. Whether my story like it or not. Anyways, let me show y'all my. We're about to get ready to go to the beach. We were gonna do jet skis and all that other stuff, but we tired of wasting. Anyways, that's my Snapchat, y'all. If it focus, that's my Snapchat. So go at the Snapchat so you can go see it on the story. Anyways, I posted on my story what bathing shoot should I do today, because I asked them yesterday and they told me that I should wear pink, obviously, because everything's pink right here. And so everyone was saying, don't piss me off. People saying blue, white. People saying blue, white, and black. I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling white today because I wanted to wear my white and black on tomorrow. Mm-hmm. Oh, man. No. And then the reason why I don't be posting like the actual bathing suit, the reason why I don't be actually wearing my camera is because I need to go charge my battery and put the other one in. The reason why I don't be showing the bathing suit because I be excited to show you the end result, but I guess I'm gonna show. Or it should be a surprise. My friend said I should wear orange. My cousin and Massey said that I should wear orange. So I'm wearing orange, y'all. I'm wearing orange. Let me go put the rest of these into. Okay, I'm about to start getting dressed, and then when I take a shower and do all the things I need to do and go along with it, then I'll bring out back over. But I need to charge my account, so give me a second. Okay, y'all. We might be home ready, but I chose orange, and we're all about to take a shot before we leave. Oh my god, I feel like a baddie. Thank you to my mom and dad for making me. Because, baby. Shit, I might take this in the skirt off. But anyways, okay. We're about to go. And I might get copyrighted. I feel like I'm missing something, but I forgot what it was. Okay. You want to go? Oh! Y'all. No, we're going to get copyrighted. Okay, we'll turn you back on in a minute. How much we got to get in there? We just walk. What up? Okay, not. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, yo. I just. Shut up, man. Let me. Got me cussing on my vlog. Anyways, why is my shit lost up?
We walking. She got us walking a mile and a half.
No, I don't got them walking a mile and a half.
Oh, this bitch just died on me on my story.
Well, your phone is, but I'm dead. You should have just left it in there.
Your vape?
No, the fan thing. Okay, y'all, so we're going to Clayton's Beach. We're watching. I'm not paying $20 just for my car to be sick. So, yeah.
They died. Can we throw it?
Y'all, this Dollar General fancy. Take that shit out of my damn thing, right? Y'all look what the dumb shit is. Please take it out now.
I don't know where we gonna put it.
I don't care. Y'all should never buy it.
Mary.
Because if I grab it, I'm gonna leave it on the ground.
Mary, can we throw it?
Okay, well then y'all hold it. Y'all the one that wanted it. So take it out of me or it's gonna go. Okay, well. Hey. Okay. Ah! Oh my god. Please take this. Oh, okay. Well. Y'all keep playing with me today. Y'all keep playing with me today. I'm not. Y'all keep playing with me today. I told y'all to leave it in the car. It's not gonna be on me. Nope. Oh!
They got me walking like I ain't 203 pounds.
Bitch, bye.
They got me walking like I ain't 300.
Maya, you too? Where you going? Where are you walking to?
Can we like pause for a minute so I can put my shoes on?
What they doing over there? What they got going there? What they got going there? What they got going there? What? Do you want to go to the car for again?
It's an after party tonight at 7. It's a pool party.
Okay.
What's up with you two? You going to the lobbies for turning this whole? You going to this house? You might as well.
Hey, where you moving? Oh, hey, drunk people. Oh, I'm ready to leave. The niggas is outside. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey y'all. So it's messy. but you probably already knew that. I don't know if I'm telling you shit. Yeah, y'all probably already knew that. Let me turn these windows up because, like, okay, I guess they're not gonna turn up. But the meat is outside, y'all, and me and Mary, there's no Mary. Yeah, she's fucked up, y'all. But I told Mary to. She left me. But y'all wanna be in the vlog? Y'all wanna be in the vlog? Say hey! Y'all on the vlog!
What's your name on YouTube?
Wooden princess.
I'll do it.
I'll give you a
Go subscribe. Go subscribe. Don't follow me. Go subscribe.
You got up on Twitch. What's it called? Hey, Ruben, Tito, add me on Instagram. Type shit.
Here, you talk to them.
Alright, pop out with the boy right here. Hey, you don't know who she popping out with? She got coming up, though. Yeah, this recording shit's hard, though.
Go subscribe. Go subscribe.
Alright, but I mean, on Instagram, though, when Tito pop out with the boy, subscribe.
Go subscribe, y'all.
Wooden Princess.
Yep.
That's a weird ass name.
That's my name, Princess.
Oh, but what about the wooden part?
That's my last name.
What is your last name?
Wooden.
Your first name is Princess?
No, my first name's Princess. Alright, get in the frame. What's your body count?
Damn, that's fuck.
You not gonna tell him? You gonna tell him? You can lie.
Under 3.
Under 3. He lied like a bitch.
Oh, how many?
That means you think.
How many you think?
Oh yeah, get this video to like
maybe 5.
what 5K?
5K likes you think?
No, 100,000.
No, bitch.
I give him 10K.
10K.
10K. Y'all make it up there. But okay, what's your body count?
Bro, under
You say
3?
under
No.
3? So that means it's 35. Okay.
35?
Homeboy, come here.
Come. This is my slime right here. My brother.
What's your name? Tell him your name.
Pepe.
Pepe. Okay. ¿Cuántos años? ¿Cuántos? Just a little bit. I ain't gonna say. How many bodies do you have?
9. You're a virgin.
Oh, you're a virgin.
How many you think?
2. Next. Okay, I got it. Okay.
All right, y'all gonna make sure that y'all go follow them because I just follow. Oh, it's
Hey,
okay.
say your homeboy, come here.
Where
y'all trying to get a vlog?
Come here. My brother, shit. Hey, them boys got. Where y'all from? J Baby Entertainment here on YouTube. Oh shit! Collab.
Straight out of Florida, you know what time it is. Tell them Cleveland.
What y'all doing
Yeah, we're going to SBI. That's where I'm going.
We be going everywhere.
I mean, you know, that little thing, whatever. Oh shit. All right. One more time we interviewing. Come on.
Oh shit, you so good. Oh. You like that? It's coconut though. It's coconut. Hey, what's up?
Tell him if they interview and come over here. If y'all interview.
Go to Matthew.
All right, come on. Come on look at
Him and that hat.
State your name.
My name is Zodiac from here.
Memphis. Okay, what part?
Tennessee. South Memphis.
Okay. So let the camera know, like, what's your body count?
I don't know.
He don't know. He lost count, y'all. Lost a little count. All right, if y'all interviews, you got you want to shout them out? You want to shout out? You want to shout out? You don't want it?
Okay, period. Okay, y'all. So this is obviously the after spot that we're going to. We're going to the after spot. We're going to this. It's gonna be at doors open at 8. Doors open at 8. I don't know what time it is. Right now it is 6:20 p.m. I don't know where they're at, but I am waiting, and I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired of waiting. So can they please hurry up? I'm gonna call one more time, and then I'm gonna turn y'all back on and do some more interviews with Master. But bye.
Alright, y'all. So we finna go to some more people. I don't know if like this camera I can't tell if I'm in the middle or not, but we finna still.
Hold on.
We're still. No, like because
Oh, it's still recording.
I don't know if I'm doing it right, you know. So yeah, I'm drunk as fuck, high as fuck, married to so. But we finna go to some more people, see what the fuck they doing. And yeah, I'm finna go to these Mexicans, see if they wanna win some bees right quick. Alright, y'all get in the vlog. Y'all see yourself? Y'all wanna add yourself? Okay, you do? Oh, okay. Pull your thing up. Pull your thing up. Y'all music. Okay. What kind of music y'all do?
Like this kind of stuff.
Let's play. Yeah. What do y'all talk about? Y'all talk about like guns or like y'all talk about love? Everything. Okay, there's some plays. All right. All right, bet. Alright, y'all, I got this booty. Yeah, we out here. Hey! Oh, come here. Come here. Hey!
Period. You do you too.
Nice to see y'all again. I'm sorry.
Okay, state your name and your occupation.
My name is Mark Bernard. I play football. Yeah.
And that's your occupation, right? Okay, tell them to add you on the Instagram.
Okay, my Instagram is TRILL.M1.
Okay, y'all go follow Mark and y'all go do the extra thing. Baby already got one. I'm pulling up. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Tell them.
To this shit right here.
Tell them.
To this shit right here.
Oh, yeah.
Pull up, man. Pull up, man. Gotta go pull up, man.
Go follow.
Go follow, y'all.
Let me ask you a question.
What's up? What's
Okay,
up?
she gotta ask you a question.
Alright, so I've been sweating a little bit, right?
Okay.
Hold on. Now ask
My friend okay, friend.
No, she's drunk and don't worry about it.
Alright, now on the scale of 10, I've been sweating this shit, right?
Okay, got you.
How do my makeup look?
On a scale of 1 to 10, your makeup look like a 7.
7.
Everybody go.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing. It just looked like you were having a lot of fun, you know.
Right.
At Padre, like normal people.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it.
Y'all see the shit? It's all splashy and stuff.
Go tell them
So yeah, he gave it a 7.
Hey,
Subscribe to the Yui.
hey.
Subscribe to the Yui.
Yeah.
Subscribe to the Yui. Subscribe to the Yui. Where y'all going tonight?
Where I go?
We're going to
I go to
the
that
Hey, what's your YouTube channel name?
Oh, go subscribe.
Hey, what's the YouTube channel?
Say what's up?
What's up? I ain't gonna lie. That's not your
Alright, let me interview y'all. Alright. So what's your name?
I'm Reese.
Reese. Alright. What's your body count?
Whoa, my body count? Whoa.
Alright, so basically he lost count.
Can we
Alright.
what's
your name?
They call me E.
E. Alright. What's your favorite position?
My favorite position?
Yeah.
It's like,
That's going on
it'd
YouTube.
probably be like reverse doggy style.
That's not how you say
I feel you, alright.
Yeah. You gotta put me.
What's your name?
My name is Jeff. What's on with y'all?
Jay. Alright. What's your type?
I really don't got them.
Right. You hear anything? What's your name?
Princess Woody.
Dot with it.
That Woody. That Woody. Hey,
We outside, y'all.
Go subscribe.
Look.
Go subscribe and
Oh,
shit.
Keep growing up. That's good. That's good. I mean, it's
Subscribe.
Alright. No, alright.
Real nigga shit. I ain't gonna lie.
We got water, liquor, and
What's your car? Because you losing game.
I am losing that. Yo, so this car followed me because I told them that we was gonna go eat tacos. That we was gonna go eat tacos or whatever, and they still follow me. They should have stopped at Daddy's. Now I'm gonna tell them stop at Denny's. I'm trying to get in between cars.
This is funny to the bitch.
I'm trying to get in between cars.
Hello.
I'm trying to get in between
Excuse me,
cars.
my throat
Fucking
hurt a
go.
bit, but yeah,
I'm trying to get in between cars.
roll this one down.
Oh shit! They one car
This hurt
behind
my
me.
toe.
And put it on the floor.
My toe, y'all. My toe hurt.
Her toe just ate the
Yeah, it did. Roll my window down. Roll my window down. Roll my window down.
You can roll it down.
Hey! What's up? Yeah. It's people. Who else got their window down? Ooh, my toes hurt like a bitch. I just hit that hoe, y'all. When I tell y'all my toe hurt,
And I'll show y'all her toe is hurting.
it was throbbing like a motherfucker. Might need to disinfect that hoe or something. Just in case. Just in case. Hey! No, so that she wake up and then McDonald's? I'm down for McDonald's. Let's go get some more beer though. Some more beer from the house. You know what I mean.